Welcome back to our channel. So, as you can see, there's a many awardees there, and this is the video about how what's on our fridge in Bagu. So let's get started with the down. Have some what is this? A vegetable. This toothbrush aren't ours. Some cones. What's this? Honey. And more goodies. Here's some Mr. Chips. There's some five eggs, some 2 carrots, and more. Mr. Gulaman, because my brother loved to make some gulaman. So this is the video about the trying new Filipino snacks. Okay, so that was really yummy. This is the
Water.
the kettle, the mug. This is aren't a Coca-Cola. This is not a Coca-Cola.
This is a Coca-Cola. That's Coca-Cola.
No, it's not. So this is some whoa, fridge. More fridge. Oh no fridge. Vegetables. Here fruit, pineapple, more, and that. And here in the freezer we have some Nestle cream, 3 ice creams. Four. We have 4 ice creams. 4 ice creams. So that is the some more beef. And that's the end of my videos, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below, and hope you see the room tour of our studio. Bye guys.